It's possible that the UL stamps encountered were counterfeit. Counterfeiters may affix fake UL marks to non-compliant products to deceive consumers. While UL certification generally indicates compliance with safety standards, it's not a guarantee of absolute safety. Products may pass UL testing under specific conditions but fail in real-world usage due to design flaws or manufacturing defects. To address the problem of dangerous products, firstly, report counterfeit UL stamps immediately to UL by calling 1-800-659.1956 or visiting their website. Secondly, notify the retailer where the products were purchased about the safety concerns. They may be able to recall the products or issue a refund. Thirdly, report the issue to the local consumer protection agency, such as the Consumer Product Safety Commission, also known as the CPSC, in the United States. Fourthly, spread awareness about the dangerous products by posting negative reviews on social media platforms and leaving warnings on online retailer pages. To prevent the importation of dangerous products, firstly, governments can implement stricter regulations at customs to screen for and seize unsafe products before they enter the country. Secondly, promote ethical manufacturing practices and educate manufacturers about the importance of safety and compliance with international standards. Thirdly, educate consumers about the risks associated with counterfeit and substandard products and how to identify them. The discovery of dangerous products with counterfeit UL stamps highlights the need for vigilance in ensuring safety. Consumers, retailers, government agencies, and international organizations must work together to address this issue and protect the public from hazardous products.